Students, today we are going to continue our topic trigonometry. The continuation next problem is prove that the next problem is prove that 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta minus cosec theta into 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta. 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta equal to 2. We are going to prove as like this. Understand? Let us see the LHS. LHS is 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta. Okay. Now it can be taken as 1 plus cos theta by sin theta minus 1 by sin theta. We can take like this. Okay. Now this can be 1 plus sin theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. Okay, 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. So what is LCM here? Sin theta LCM. Sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Here cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 by cos theta. Okay. Numerator in the form of a plus b into a minus b, a square sin theta plus cos theta whole square. This term is same here. Minus 1 square 1 by sin theta cos theta. Expand the numerator term by a plus b whole square, a square sin square theta, b square cos square theta, 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by sin theta into cos theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta how much? 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by sin theta into cos theta. Since sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This is 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta into cos theta. Get cancel. What will come here? 2. Prove. The next question. We are going to prove the next question. Prove that the next question is prove that 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta. Prove that 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square by whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Understand? You have to prove as like this. Okay? Let us see how do we prove this value. Take LHS. 1 plus LHS is sin theta minus cos theta whole square by 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta whole square. Now we have the formula of a plus b plus c whole square. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab 2bc 2ca. Okay, this is the formula. Expand the numerator by like that. 1 plus sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, 2ab 2 into 1 into sin theta 2 sin theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta 2bc 2ca minus 2 cos theta whole by same will come, all positive will come in denominator because a plus b plus c whole square. Understand? Okay. Now how do we get the value? Let us check it. What will come in numerator? Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 2 cos theta all by 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 2 cos theta. 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 sin theta, in remaining terms 2 cos theta get common, sin theta plus 1 by 2 plus 2 sin theta 2 cos theta get common here also, sin theta plus 1 remaining value. In first two terms 2 get common, 1 plus sin theta minus 2 cos theta. 1 sin theta plus 1 can be written as 1 plus sin theta here. Like this again, 2 cos theta get common, again it will be 1 plus sin theta. Overall, what is get common in numerator? What is get common in numerator? 1 plus sin theta into 2 get common. What will come remaining? 1 minus cos theta. In denominator also what is get common? 2 into 1 plus sin theta. What is remaining? 1 plus cos theta. What are get cancelled? What will come remaining? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. This is our required result. Understand? Now, let us go for one more question as like this. The another question is, okay? Now, question. We are going to take another question. Okay. Prove that sin 150 degrees minus 5 cos 300 degrees, okay, plus 7 tan 225 degrees all by tan 135 degrees plus 3 sin 210 degrees equal to -2. Understand? Okay? Now, here take LHS. Sin 150 degrees minus cos 300 degrees plus 7 tan 225 degrees all by tan 135 3 sin 210 degrees. Okay. Now we have to use the simple principle to prove this question equals to -2. Understand? Okay. Now let us see. Sin 150 degrees can be written as 1 into 90 plus 60 degrees minus 5 cos 300 degrees 3 into 90 plus 30 degrees 7 225 tan 2 into 90 plus 45 degrees. Understand? All by tan 1 into 90 plus 45 degrees. 3 sin 210 degrees can be written as 2 into 90 plus 30 degrees. We can write every angle in the form n into 90 plus theta or minus theta according to the simple principle. What is simple principle? N into 90 degrees plus or minus theta. Understand? Now let us see n into 90 plus theta form. N odd number, sign changes to cos, angle 60 degrees. This angle lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, given sin function positive, that's why we can write it as cos 60 degrees minus 5 into, okay, 3 odd number, cos changes to sin, angle 30 degrees. This angle 3 into 90 plus 30 lies in fourth quadrant. This cos function is positive. That's why take the sign as it is. Next, plus 2 even number, tan remains tan, angle 45. Angle lies in third quadrant, tan positive. Sign take as it is, no change. Denominator, one odd number, tan changes to cot, angle 45 degrees. Second quadrant, 1 into 90 plus 45 lies in second quadrant, tan function negative. Here also. Plus 3 into 2 even number, sign remains right, angle 30 degrees. Okay. This 2 into 90 plus 30 lies in third quadrant, sin function negative, that's why this should be negative. Understand? Now, this can be taken as, what is cos 60 degrees? 1 by 2 minus 5 sin 30, 1 by 2, tan 45, 1 by cot 45, 1, 3 sin 30, 1 by 2. What will come here? 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2 plus 7 by minus 1 minus 3 by 2. What will come here? Will come as, okay, this can be taken as like this, What is LCM in numerator? 2. 1 minus 5 plus 2 into 7, 14. In denominator also, what is LCM? 2 minus 2 minus 3. 2 get cancelled. 14 plus 1, 15 minus 5. 10 by minus 5. 5 into 2. What will come? Minus 2. This is our required result. Understand? Now, next we are going to do one more question. Our question is as like this. Question, okay? The next question. Find the value of sin square pi by 10. Find the value of sin square pi by 10 plus sin square 4 pi by 10 plus sin square 6 pi by 10 plus sin square 9 pi by 10. Now we are going to find this value. Understand? Now let us see how do we get this value. Take LHS. Okay? Consider the value. What we have to find? Sin square pi by 10. Sin square 4 pi by 10. Sin square 6 pi by 10. Sin square 9 pi by 10. Understand? This can be written as sin square pi by 10 take as it is. Sin square 4 pi by 10 can we write pi by 2 minus pi by 10. Take LCM 10. What will come here? 5 pi minus pi. 4 pi by 10 will come. All we have to, we should change all values in that form. Pi by angle pi by 10. 6 pi by 10 can be written as pi by 2 plus pi by 10. 9 pi by 10 can be written as pi minus pi by 10. Can we write like this? Yes. Pi minus pi by 10. 10 pi minus pi. 9 pi by 10. We have converted as like this. Sin square pi by 10. This can be written as sin square 1 into pi by 2 minus pi by 10. Sin square 1 into pi by 2 plus pi by 10. Sin square, this can be written as 2 into pi by 2 minus pi by 10. Okay? Use the simple principle here. What is simple principle? N into 90 minus theta, or otherwise n into pi by 2 minus theta. We can use any way, no problem. What is n value in the second term? N value is 1. Sign changes to cos. This can be written as sin square pi by 10 plus cos square angle pi by 10. First quadrant positive. Sin function is positive. Here also same. It will come odd number cos square pi by 10. Second quadrant sin function is positive. Here 2 into pi by 2 minus pi by 10. This also lies in second quadrant. Two even number, function not changed, remains the same. So what will come here? 2 times sin square pi by 10. 2 times cos square pi by 10. Okay? 2 get common here. What will come here? This is 1. Since sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. What will come here? 2. This is our required result. Understand? We can do the problem as like this. The remaining problems we should do in the next class. Understand?